Good morning students and welcome to Shivaji Group of Institutions online classes. Students, in my previous video, I discussed about the basic concept of vectors, basic definitions and basic formulas of the vector. Now today I am going to discuss the problems of the vectors. Find the value of OA vector plus OB vector in given figure. This is the given figure students, and OA vector और OB vector की sum चाहिए. So students, see this problem. Solution number 1. This is here. This is a quadrilateral O A C B. O direction is OA, O to A. This is 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. And this is length of AC is A, and length of BC is B. So this is and this is directed as direction of B. So OB vector. Here this is OA vector and this is OB vector. We have to find the sum of OA vector plus OB vector. So students, see the figure. This is 90 and this is 90. So this, when this is 90 and this angle is also 90, so this angle B is also 90 and this is also 90, because all the angle of a quadrilateral is 360, because these are the parallel lines. So 90 degree and 90 degree. So this is also 90 because this is a straight line. So this is also 90 degree. So students, from given figure OACB is a rectangle, because all angle are 90 degrees. This is also 90, this is also 90. So and this length is A and this length is B. So this is a rectangle, and we all know that रेक्टेंगल की जो हमारे पास अपोजिट साइड्स होती है वो इक्वल होती है. सो हियर AB पैरेलल टू OA, AB पैरेलल टू OA एंड AB इक्वल OA. सिंस रेक्टेंगल में जो होता है, इन रेक्टेंगल अपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल. अपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल. सो स्टूडेंट्स, AC here AC parallel OB. So and AC equal OB. So AC vector is equal to OB vector is equal to, and length of AC is A. So A vector. स्टूडेंट्स, रेक्टेंगल में अपोजिट साइड्स इक्वल होती हैं स्टूडेंट्स. तो यहाँ पर AC जो साइड से होती है तो OB साइड में कितनी होगी? A ही होगी. और ये दोनों आपस में पैरेलल भी हैं. सो AC पैरेलल OB. देन व्हेन एनी टू लेंथ्स आर इक्वल एंड डायरेक्शन आर सेम, देन these are called equal vectors. Two vectors are called equal vectors when the magnitude and direction is equal. Magnitude is same, is equal and direction is same. So यहाँ पर बच्चों डायरेक्शन, यहाँ पर हमारे पास जो AC की डायरेक्शन है वो भी पैरेलल है, आपस में पैरेलल है. और इसका मतलब डायरेक्शन हमारे पास इधर से इधर की तरफ है. तो AC पैरेलल OB, AC पैरेलल OB एंड AC इक्वल OB, और लेंथ इक्वल हो तो हम कह सकते हैं कि AC का जो वेक्टर है वो OB वेक्टर इक्वल है. So students, this vector is A vector. So OB vector is similarly and OA equal BC. So OA vector is equal to BC. So OA vector is equal to BC vector is equal to B. Now students, so OA vector plus, we have to find the OA plus OB. So students, OA vector plus OB vector is equal to OA is AC vector plus BC vector. So this is A plus B. So this is the answer of the given problem number 1. Now students, you can also use in this by triangle method. So if we draw this diagonal, students, so this is A vector and this is B vector. So this, the sum of this vector is OC vector. So OA plus OB is also equal to OC vector, because this is vector A and this is vector B. So vector A plus vector B is what is this vector A plus vector B is equal to vector A plus B. You can also call vector OC. Now students, the second problem is what is the sum of AB, BC and CA vector. So students, first this is AB vector, then BC. So students, AB vector is this, and from head of this vector, this is the head of AB vector is the tail of BC vector. So यहाँ पर BC vector के लिए यहाँ से स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा, इसके टर्मिनल पॉइंट से स्टार्ट करते हुए ये BC vector होगा और फिर इसके बाद CA vector. तो C हमारे पास इसका इनिशियल पॉइंट हो जाएगा, A पर जाकर खत्म होगा, तो यहाँ पे CA vector हमें क्या समझेंगे. So AB vector plus BC vector plus CA. Now student, by the law of addition, yes students, AB plus BC, AB plus BC, what you do mean by AC? You all know by triangle method. So this is AB plus BC plus CA. Now student, this, look at this, AB is same, so this is common point, so the by addition rule, AB, this is AC vector plus CA vector. Now you can write AC CA vector as minus AC vector, because अगर किसी वेक्टर की डायरेक्शन चेंज करनी हो तो उसमें कुछ इंट्रोड्यूस कर दो, माइनस को इंट्रोड्यूस कर दोगे तो इसकी डायरेक्शन को क्या हो जाएगा, अपोजिट हो जाएगा. सो यू कैन राइट CA vector as minus AC vector. So this is AC vector minus AC vector. This will cancel out. So this is 0. So students, AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 0. Student, this result is very most important. You can say that when any vector is taken as the order in the sides of triangle, then the sum of these vectors are 0. बच्चों हमने ये एक ट्रायंगल की साइड्स ऑर्डर में ले रखी है AB, BC, CA. अगर हम ऑर्डर में वेक्टर्स लेंगे किसी ट्रायंगल के साइड के अकॉर्डिंग, तो उनका जो सम होगा वो हमेशा 0 आएगा, बिकॉज ये कौन साइड पर जाएंगे, कौन साइड पर जाएगा कि पॉइंट पर, तो 0 वेक्टर आ जाएगा. Also you can cancel out भी कर सकते हैं और उसको AC plus AC equal to A vector भी लिख सकते हैं. You can also write, you can also other method, other way. What is the other way? Because from here students, यहाँ से आप देखिए, यहाँ से आप AC plus CA आ जाएगा यहाँ से. This see this down, this is the common point, so you can add them and write A vector. So A vector means a point vector, which is null vector. Null vector मतलब जहाँ पर उसकी कोई भी लेंथ नहीं होती है और कोई भी, तो हमारे पास वो null vector होता है. A vector is 0. So this is also you can take from here, and this is also a way to solve this problem. So students, remember one thing, अगर किसी triangle की साइड्स ऑर्डर में लेकर के और वेक्टर का सम किया जाए तो फिर उसका सम 0 होता है. Problem number 3. Student, problem number 3 is as it is problem number 2. Only form is changed. If vector A, vector B, vector C with the vectors represented by the sides of triangle in order, then prove that vector A plus vector B plus vector C equal to 0. Student, same problem as second. Because अगर हमारे पास कोई ट्रायंगल ले लें हम लोग A B C कैसा लिख सकते हैं B C और ये C ऑर्डर में ले लें अगर A B C C साइड्स ऑर्डर में लिए गए हैं बच्चों। तो इसके सामने का आप लोगों ने वेक्टर A ले लिया, इसके सामने का वेक्टर लोगों ने वेक्टर B ले लिया और इसके सामने का वेक्टर C। तो इन सब का जो A plus B plus C आएगा वो 0 है। So students, what is A plus B plus C? So A plus B plus C is equal to what is A vector is BC vector. So you can write BC vector. What is B vector? B vector is CA vector. Because order में हम लोगों ने लिया है इसकी साइड्स के ऑर्डर में वेक्टर्स लिए हुए हैं। तो प्लस C vector what is A. So students, BC plus CA, this is common, so this is BA vector and plus here this is AB vector. So BA vector plus AB vector you can add because this is its terminal point and this is initial point. When initial and terminal point are same, तो students उसका हमारे पास सम होगा वो ये हो जाएगा BB vector because ये हमारे पास सेम आ रहा है तो ये इसका सम BB vector. BB vector means students 0 vector. This is 0. So vector A plus vector B plus vector C is equal to 0 vector when these vectors are taken as the sides order in sides of a triangle. So you can also write students AB vector as minus BA vector. So minus BA plus BA cancel out and answer will be the same. So students, these are the 3 problems of the vectors. Now students, the next problem is that if capital A, capital B, capital C and capital D are 4 points in a plane, ये 4 points हैं किसी plane पर, 4 vectors represented by the sides AB, BC, CD and DA. Then find the value of AB vector plus BC plus CD and D. Students, ये हमारे पास 4 हमारे पास points हैं. This is A, B, C, D. So 4 vectors represented by sides AB. So students, this is AB vector, BC vector, CD vector and D vector. तो इनके अकॉर्डिंग वेक्टर्स लिए गए हैं. Then find the sum of these vector AB plus BC plus CD plus D. So students, we have to find the sum of these vector AB, BC, CD. So students, AB plus BC plus AD plus AB plus BC plus CD plus D. Now students, the sum of these vector is very simple because you use triangle method also. You can write when AB plus BC, student, this is AC vector. So this is, see this AB plus BC here, this is initial and its terminal point and its initial point is same point. So this coincide, then the resultant vector is the sum is AC vector. So here we can write AB vector plus BC vector, and by triangle method, by triangle rule, AB plus BC is AC also. Either similarly you can write CD plus DA because this D and D are coincide. So you can write CD vector plus DA. So by triangle method, CD vector plus DA vector is what is as CA vector. You can use triangle method for the sum of 2 vectors. So AB plus BC is the AC vector plus CD plus DA. What is this? CA vector. Now student, AC vector plus CA vector, you can also write AA vector. For this C and C are coincide, and result is AA vector. So AA vector, what is the 0 vector? Because this is coincide the same point has no magnitude, so this is called 0. So AB plus, this means AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is equal to C. It also gives us a result. What is the result? In any quadrilateral, if vectors are taken as in the order of the sides of quadrilateral, then the sum of these vectors are 0. अगर किसी वेक्टर्स अगर किसी चतुर्भुज में स्टूडेंट्स जो वेक्टर लिए गए हैं तो उसकी भुजाओं के क्रम से भुजाओं के अनुदिश लिए गए हैं, तो उन सभी वेक्टरों का जो सम होता है उन सभी सदिशों का सम 0 होता है। बस क्रम से लिए गए हैं स्टूडेंट्स AB प्लस BC प्लस CD प्लस D। तो डायरेक्शन अगर हमारे पास इस टाइप की है तो इनका सम 0 होता है। नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, fifth problem. Student, fifth problem is also the similar, also you can the same problem as fourth problem. If the sides of a quadrilateral taken in order, sides of a quadrilateral taken in order are represented by vector A, vector B, vector C, vector D, then prove that A vector plus B vector plus C vector plus D vector is equal to 0. अगर कुछ वेक्टर ऐसे लिए गए हैं जो किसी क्वाड्रेटरल के ऑर्डर में साइड्स के रिप्रेजेंट करते हो तो उनका सम 0 होता है। सेम वेक्टर स्टूडेंट्स, तो हमारे पास एक वेक्टर एरिया में AB BC, AB वेक्टर BC वेक्टर CD and DA वेक्टर। सो अब ऑर्डर में ये वेक्टर A हो गया है, दिस इज वेक्टर B, दिस इज वेक्टर, दिस इज C वेक्टर एंड दिस इज D वेक्टर। सो स्टूडेंट्स, we have to find vector A plus prove that A vector A plus vector B plus vector C plus D. Let AB vector is equal to vector A, BC vector is equal to vector B and CD vector is equal to vector C and DA vector is equal to vector D. So vector A plus vector B plus vector C plus vector D is equal to what is this? This is AB vector plus BC vector plus CD vector plus D vector. Now student, this is as similar as fourth problem because fourth problem is the value of this part is 0. So answer is 0. So we have to prove that. So this is what is this? AB plus BC is AC. Now CD plus DA is CA and AC plus CA is A vector, which is 0 vector. Also you got AC vector. अगर किसी वेक्टर को हम लोगों ने साइड चेंज अगर डायरेक्शन चेंज करनी है तो AC CA वेक्टर को माइनस AC वेक्टर फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं बिकॉज वेक्टर A को हम लोग माइनस AB वेक्टर को हम लोग माइनस वेक्टर DA लिख सकते हैं। तो AC वेक्टर माइनस AC, दिस इज कैंसल आउट, दिस इज 0. So here comes the vector A plus vector B plus vector C plus vector D. So students, question number 1 to 2 are basically the rule of the triangle. If in any triangle any vector is taken as in order of the sides of the triangle, then their sum of vector is 0. And problem number 4 and 5 are basically based on quadrilateral. अगर किसी क्वाड्रिलेटरल में हम लोग साइड्स को उनके ऑर्डर में लेकर के वेक्टर का जब सम निकालेंगे तो वो भी क्या होगा? 0 फाइंड आउट होगा। Now students, the sixth problem is ABCD is a quadrilateral so that the resultant of the forces AB vector, CD vector, AC vector and DD vector is 2AB. So students, ABCD is a quadrilateral. So students, AB vector, CD vector, AC vector and DD vector. A, B, C, D. So AB vector, students, we have to find the resultant of vector AB, CD, AC and DB. vector, this is AC vector, and this is DB vector. So you have to find this resultant means sum of vectors. So students, AB vector plus BC vector plus AC vector plus D. Now students, here you can see AB plus BC equal to AC. Now students, when we add the two vectors, then we find the initial and terminal point coincides. So here students, you can take BC plus DB. Here you can take, this is AB plus BC plus AC plus D. So you can take, here students, this is CD vector. This is CD vector. So now students, here you can see CD, this is D the terminal and this is the its initial. So students, CD plus DB, CD plus DB, you can write CD. So here you can write AB plus, you can also AC plus CD, you can also write AC plus CD in one bracket plus D. Now what is AC plus CD? You can, this is, so AB plus AC plus CD is plus AB. AC plus CD, AC plus CD is, you can write AD plus, this is DB. Now here students, you can write AD plus DB. This is terminal point, this is initial point, coincide, the result is AB vector. So here AB vector plus AB vector. You can do AB. So students, you can easily find out the resultant of the vector using the triangle method, addition of vectors of triangle method. तो स्टूडेंट इस तरीके से आप लोग आसानी से इसका रिजल्टेंट वेक्टर फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. Now students, next problem is seventh problem. What is the seventh problem? ABCD is a pentagon. So students, pentagon ले लेते हैं हम लोग. A B C D. This is the students pentagon, and the forces are AB vector, resultant forces of forces AB vector. This is AB vector, BC vector, DC vector, and ED vector, and is 3AC. Also BC vector, AE vector. We have to find the sum of these vectors. So student, resultant means sum. AB plus BC plus DC plus AD plus ED. So students, here you can see EE. We can add this easily, and resultant is AD. So, and here AB plus BC you can add easily AC vector. So here you can write AB plus, this is AB plus BC, and this is A plus ED. So this is AC vector plus this is BC, and plus this is, what is this? AD vector. Now students, and AC. Also you find AC vector. So AC vector is, what is this AC vector? This is, so result is plus AC plus AC. So what is this? AC vector plus this is AD vector. You can write AD vector plus BC vector plus AC vector. So can write easily because DD vector is initial and terminal point coincide, resulted AC vector. So AC vector plus AC vector plus AC vector is equal to 3AC. So students, you can easily solve this type of problems. Now students, I give some homework problems. So students, students, these are some homework problems. The first problem is that if A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral, then prove that BA vector plus BC vector plus CD vector plus DA vector is equal to 2BA vector. And the second problem, ABCDEF is a regular hexagon, then find the value of AB vector plus AC vector plus AD vector plus EA vector plus FA vector. So students, solve these problems. So students, thank you for today's